Okay, if you need to replace the front quarter light of a bongo, it's a bit of a faff and there's absolutely nothing online, so I thought I'd make this ropey video about how to do it. So first thing you need to do is door card off. There's plenty of information listed on there, but basically the capped screws around the edge come off. There's one screw inside the door handle and one screw inside the little pocket that goes here. Under all of those, then there's some poppers along the bottom you need to pop out, and one up here. So basically just get your fingers under the edge here, pull it, and it'll come off. You need to disconnect the window switch, which basically push in something flat from the back and it lifts up. Connector comes out. Door handle you need to thread through the hole. Once you've done that, to get the quarter light out, it's not particularly obvious, but this is the runner for the window. So if you run the window all the way down, there's two bolts hold that in place. One here, one behind the speaker down here, so you need to take the speaker off. They're 10mm. If you undo those, this starts to flop around, but not enough to be useful. So to get it all the way out, there's one more Phillips screw under this rubber trim in here. Once you've done that, this moves. That then gives you the space you need in here to put the quarter light, and you just got to fit all the corners around all the right pieces, and it should go back in. Hopefully the assembly will be pretty much the same but in reverse. I'll post if there's anything different to that. Good luck.